I'm John, and this is my hackathon project. It is an application where you can convert the code into an animated video. Let me show you how. We have a code editor where you can add the code that you want to animate. We have a slide section where you can define the animation, and we have an animation preview to view the animation. To animate the code, you can define slide with the lines that you want to show in the animation and the duration of the animation and the animation style. And the lines defined in this slide will be previewed in the animation. And you can define multiple such slides so that the code gets animated from one slide to another. So let me add another slide here. And you can also use these buttons to add or remove lines from the animation. So in the next slide, I want to include the second and sixth line. And in the third slide, we can show the third line. And in the fourth, maybe we can add both 4 and 5. And in fifth, maybe 7 and 8. And in the final slide, we can show all the slides. And you can adjust the duration and the animation style based on your requirement. For the comment line, I'm adding a typewriter animation, maybe with 1 second duration. And this. Yeah, and similarly, you can add the animation to all the slides based on the requirement. Yeah, once you're done with defining the slides, you can preview the animation. Once you are satisfied with the animation, you can export the animation into a video. You can choose the format to which you want to export, and you can click on export. To export, it will take a few seconds depending on the animation length. And that's it. You have the animation exported to a video, and you can download using the download button. And that's it. As simple as that, you can convert the code into an animated video. This project is entirely built using the Kiro application. By entirely, I mean 100% of the code used to complete this project is written by Kiro. Let me show you how I did it. First, I discussed my idea with the AI model, and I explained like what I am expecting from the final product. This helped me to validate my idea and gave me confidence that it is possible. And then using the specs feature, Kiro has designed the requirements of the project like, based on what I explained. And then it created the design document like with all the architecture requirements, stack required and everything. And then it finally designed the tasks for the project. And after this, all I had to do is just click on start task button, and that's it. Kiro does it. Kiro takes care of the entire process on autopilot mode. It was able to complete like more than like 70% of the tasks without any human interaction. And I think the specs driven development helped to keep the project design consistent and reduce hallucination. And I think the specs driven development is what helped with it. Yeah, thank you.